14. The compass that takes us off course should not be the one we use to find our direction. The human senses are tricksters, unskilled guides, if we let them, that all too easily can lead us astray. The eyes, by seeing, convince us with appearances. The things we look at are not essence, they are not the Tao. The ears hear, the hands touch, the mind flirts with names and patterns. These too are not the Tao. Look, the Tao cannot be seen with the eyes. Listen, the Tao cannot be heard with the ears. Reach for it, the Tao cannot be grasped. From nothingness, being emerges in the 10,000 forms, each with the potential for the Tao to reveal itself. Every path one can take is not the Tao. Every language one can speak is not the Tao. Beyond form, the Tao permeates everything, making all forms of being possible. But itself, the Tao is relentlessly transcendent with no beginning or end. Follow the forms of the Tao to the source, and you'll never get there. It is unknowable, yet it's everywhere. The sage knows the way is revealed without moving, by awakening the timeless being of existence in the still point, around which the eternal dance of oneness turns.